Okay, good day to our window eye and check your sound system. Press window in your keyboard and eye and check your mic. Go to sound and 100% meaning it's loud. Okay, welcome. Good day to all my followers. If there is, if don't have, it's okay. That's life. Men are cold, but you are chosen. Okay, but this is how we improve ourselves. In my tutorial, I want to improve myself. Okay, that's why I have to. We have to teach ourselves how to learn, how to explore. That's why I'm here, because I'm also learning. Okay, so I want to discover all this assembly thing, how they do it, how they do the kernel and the bootloader, and I found a lot of secret, and thanks to ChatGPT. Okay, so credit to the ChatGPT. Now we are going to continue our exploration on MASM32. Okay, so what I did last time when my PC automatically shut down because maybe there's no heat, there's no fan. Then what you're going to do, you have to open our we're going to open our MASM32, and you have to go to tutorial and go to the console demo 1, and this is the one I want to show you. This is the one we are going to create. This is the one we are going to do to make only one line. Last time we do ML/COFF corrected ASM. This one is the end operation in programming, A and D. And then after that, if this one is successful, then you can run this command. From this command, I told you have to review the slash question mark, the syntax, link corrected obj to library path MASM32, lib path meaning the location of the library, and then followed by the library and the subsystem console. Okay, I never encountered this in my life, doing 2-1 command. Thanks to GPT for sharing this. Okay, so now I want to share to you. No need to type 2 times. Okay, but you can type 2 times. Forget this one if you want. Okay, so let's do it. My previous tutorial, because last time we disassembled the program. Okay, so when we disassemble the program, my PC shut down. Okay, so this is it. So after opening our hello exe last time, and we are going to disassemble it. When we disassemble the exe file, and it's run this PE. Okay, so if you want to review this disassembler, where they got it, okay, so what you're going to do is to review again the system. What you're going to do is to explore window E. Okay, so window E for window explorer, and as you can see here, we have to look for this MASM32 And after you are in the MASM32, you take a look at the menu. Okay, there is menu ini here, A B C D. Okay, listen, focus. Okay, this is menu edit. So after that, as you can see, they have this menus ini. So there is a resource file there. Okay, and there is a minus B, additional parenthesis B and parenthesis E. So meaning E is for executable file and executable library, and the link point bat are the batch file. Okay, as you can see, if it is exe, as you can notice, this one is become bat. So as you can see, this is try to be keen in observing. Okay, so you after that, this one, this menu. Okay, let's exit this one. This menu is this one. Okay, as you can see, if we follow the project here, once we click compile resource file, assemble ASM, compile resource file, assemble ASM file. Okay, sometimes these are the shortcut in the keyboard. Okay, it happens that there is no underline, meaning R is for resource. Okay, let's say press Alt, then T for tools, P for project. This one. Let's try. Okay, let's say we are on keyboard, because last time there is no mouse. Alt file, press P for project. Alt, sorry, not alpha. Should be Alt. Press Alt. Then you see there is letter. So these are the shortcut in keyboard last time. You press P. See, there is R. That's the one. If you put ampersand here, meaning that is the shortcut. This letter A, this is letter A. So as you can see, if there is a B, it is a batch file. Okay. Looking for that object. Okay. As you can see, this is the file being processed. Okay, the BP for being processed. See? Yeah, this is the program being processed. CB stands for that. It's like a parameter. This one will go inside. This one will go inside and run. Okay. So this one also for exe. So all this menu has been controlled by the DLL. Okay, there is menu DLL in their there is menu DLL, and okay, so as you can see, there is a menu DLL here. Okay, and if you go to MASM32, You see here there are menus, edit DLL. See, so this one are related to all the program. Okay, so after that after that you're going to go to tools and look for code and create new GUI application if you want to see that. And in project, in tools, we have to go to tools and look for this disassemble DLL, what they use in disassemble exe file. Okay, so we're going to track that one. To do the tracking, so in tools we have go down and go down and go down and disassemble the file. So they use the DASM point bat under MASM32 DASM point bat. So you have to go to this page, okay, and review the batch file. Okay, so once you go to MASM32 bin, so cd backslash, go to the parent or the root directory, go to the sibling MASM32, then go to the anak or son or daughter, go to the sibling, because now MASM32 has a wife, then have a child. So what is their child? Oh, so many children directory already. So directory slash AD, so many dir son or daughters of this MASM32. So these are the siblings, the dir. Okay. So now you have to go to another sibling, cd bin. Okay. So meaning this one, it's like hierarchy of the ancestor. This is the ancestor F. Then this is an anak. Then this one has a child again. Then child. So that's what happened. Okay. So meaning bin grandfather is MASM32, and bin father is this one. MASM32 is the F. This one bin, the his grandfather is the F. That's how we're going to compare that in human. It should be like that. Okay, so now in here you said DASM, so you can type view editor, told you put it in path, review my syntax lesson, view editor, DASM point bat, enter, and this is it. Okay, so meaning he echo off, meaning do not show the echo in the screen. If not exist MASM32 bin dump exe, go to message MASM32 dumpy, disassemble this parameter, the file, and like what I told you, I teach you the greater than to redirection symbol and convert this into this ASM point text. So you run this one by one and go to the end. So meaning he used dumpy exe. Okay, and go to message. If not exist MASM32 bin.exe, go to message, meaning this is the message. To use this menu option, you must first unzip the file called dump.exe in the bin directory. Then you can disassemble. Is our dumpy is zip? I think not, because we can use it already. Okay, so that's how they run it. You use this one, dumpy pe, minus DISASSEMBLE. Oh, let's. You want to try? But make sure you follow this. But change this one to the name, okay? Okay. Then it's run the quick editor. DISASSEMBLE. So this is the command. You get this one, dump PPE. Then you will learn now the dump PEE. Oh, we are in bin, right? So let's do for Dumpy Humpy. Humpy Dumpy, let's look. Let's try to look for Humpy Dumpy. Okay, dump. Then asterisk. You see, there is Dumpy PE here. Okay, and this is the text. I don't know what's that. Notepad. If you do not want to exit on this window, we can just type dump ppe.txt. What is that inside? So blah 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 blah. So these are the those are the syntax you are going to use. So disassemble, quiet, meaning don't be keep quiet, don't be noisy. No, this quiet is not showing us any copyright message. Quiet meaning do it quietly, do not show any message on the screen, something like that. Okay, so reload text sum. So you can learn all of this, but in our system they just use DISASSEMBLE. Okay, but disassembly, maybe you can explore this a lot. So increase your screen and you can read this one, copyright by the 10 Planet Software International. Okay, so that's now we are going to use this and exit. So what we are going to do, we are going to copy this. So if you cannot remember the code, right click, edit, and copy. Then exit that one, and we are going to exit this. We're going to exit that one, and we're going to exit this assemble text and finish. This is okay. So that's the end of my tutorial. See you on the next video. No, we're going to continue. I'm just kidding. Okay, so let's go now and try again. I put a Q here for just type Q. Just for me to, because I always go to app. I always go to app and type all this. Go to app, blah blah blah. So I just type Q point. But here, as you can see, I talk to the system, say clear the screen, go to F, go to MASM32 and run the Q editor. Okay, so actually my Q editor is all over the world. You can type here also Q editor. It is globally, because of the path, it is global. Okay, so now what we're going to do, remember the path I'm telling you. The path I'm telling you. Do not let your program run only in one directory. Make it global anywhere. Become superhero. Okay, so I want to edit in the notepad. So notepad q point bat, and I will delete this so that it will go only in MASM32 bin. Okay, so I will save this and I will run my Q here and enter, and it will go already automatic to the bin. So you have fun in those. Actually, sometimes no need to those are only shortcut, but you have to learn this. After you learn this, you can go to Linux, and they have this also, this type of Windows, Debian, Ubuntu, Fedora, Kali Linux. So it's like Windows. That's okay. I want a Filipino to learn Linux because it's better. If you want to maintain one kernel and do some Linux, so collect a lot of programmer, then in Philippines maintain one kernel, one system named Patri, Patri Linux. Patri Fashion Linux. So, okay. So now what we are going to do here, we are now in the bin, and what we read I copied according to what we read, because we do not want ourselves to be stagnant. So now we explore that, and this is I put text. So for me, I will put Assam better, because the text sometimes you want to disassemble and assemble. So from here we are going to type hello.exe and enter, and it's done. Then we are going to view. Let's see if we have this Assam.asam. Okay, and directory, as you can see, it will dump here this Assam. Okay, sorry for that, my friend, because what we typed just now is dump pe hello.exe, but we do not have hello.exe on this area. So meaning what he created just now, notepad, this type this Assam.asam, and open file hello.exe. So you give us the message error on this Assam.text. Okay, sorry for that, my friend. So your press up arrow and down arrow, so no need for you to type. Is still your the history of your command is still in memory. Okay, so now we are going to cd dot dot, go to the parent. Cd dot dot is going to the parent one by one. Okay, but if you memorize already the location, cd MASM32 tutorial /console /demo1 handle, because you memorize the ancestor. Okay, so that's how you know that cd is last question mark. I told you. And read, display the name or changes the current directory. Okay, if you type cd, please read my syntax, please. If you type cd, this one no need to type. Cd, it will give you the current directory. /d, you read the /d, what is the meaning? Use the /d to change current drive in addition to changing the current. See? /d. Use the /d switch to change current drive in addition to changing the current directory for a drive. See? I never tried that. I just use cd. Okay. Later you can explore. See, like cd winnt, cd dot dot for the parent. What is dot dot? Specify that you want to change to the parent directory. Okay, so there's a lot of siblings and grandson and granddaughter. So if it's getting long, meaning there is a great grandfather. Okay, so let's continue. Stop talking. Okay, so now we are now in our hello.exe. Okay, hello assemble. We have the hello.exe now. So what we are going to do is to press the up arrow in your keyboard, and run this one. Enter. See, very fast. This might take a moment, but it's very fast in command line. because in programs there is a pause. Okay, so 1995 to 2010. Okay, so now we are going to see the disassemble. Last time disassemble text. Now is disassemble ASM direct. Okay, so we're going to view editor. Get this file, the disassemble disassemble.asm, and there, and you will see they are the same. Okay, so what you are going to do here is to delete all of this, because these are all the header and some information of the file was created you. So now you know you can debug all those Excel and look for some header. If you memorize already the header, oh, this is a virus, oh, it is created in this, blah 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 blah. Okay, so blah blah blah. Okay, so after that you are going to delete this, and what you are going to do is to highlight all of this. Okay, highlight until the end of time. So after you highlight all this, there is a tool here which is said format .pe output. Then click enter, and automatically we have now the disassemble program. Okay, but once you are expert already in reading all this, this is the DB, you can memorize all this, you can delete some. Okay, what I did, I copy all of this and I paste to ChatGPT. Okay, because I do not want now to make myself headache. So at least we have the key now. Okay, we are going to use the technology, right? So now in ChatGPT here, I paste all that code and I talk to him, copy. Can you fix this code? Okay, then he said, here's the corrected version of your assembly code. Okay, and what I did, I copy this, and I'll try to copy that. Okay, let's copy. Okay, we copy that code of ChatGPT, and what we're going to do is to paste it here based on but you can save to another file, but it's okay. You can repeat this solution, so we can overwrite this. So we copy what he said, and now you can learn by yourself. You can understand now all. There's an explanation here. Okay, push 11, that is the steady output handle. But in our disassembly, wait, I want to show you something. Let's combine the code. Control Z to undo. Okay, and Control Y, so we converted already. Control Y, redo. So this is our file, and I'm going to save it as this asam.asam. Okay, so now after doing this asam, because you are trying to study, okay, yeah, I want to improve myself, so we have to use the technology, okay, to make your life easy. Okay, so now there is this assemble asam of ours, and let's try this file open in a new window. Control W, press in your keyboard according to the shortcut, and that's the thing. No, I want to run another Q editor, so just type here Q editor only. Okay, editor. I don't want to move my hand every time in the mouse. So we are going to put here Control B. So we are going to find the comparison. Okay, what the computer did in our program here, what he does is he all the data at the bottom here, at the bottom, even these are the same with the colon and without colon. They are the same. You can remove, you can add colon here. Later, I think it will work also if you add colon here, because this one is it's like a label. Okay, we will try that later on. So what happened here? So he collected all these F004300 and he put there. So our 301C 3034, this one he put there. Where is our 301C? So he changed it. He changed it to another text, but the location is still the same. Okay, 3034. This is the one. Where's our 301C? 301C. Hey, I copied you. 301C. That's it. Okay. So meaning he did not change anything. He changed he changed something, a lot actually. He changed something. So as you can see, when he gave me this code, okay, only start. Okay, so let's only start in the original position here. There is a code. There's a code. Yeah, okay, correct. Okay, so in our original, there's no code. What I mean, the one we converted, there's no code. Okay. Okay, meaning you need to add that if you want to do it your own. Okay, you need to add here code. And that's there are some error, but you can fix it. So now, okay, let's we are concentrating here now. Given by ChatGPT, we save this one as given. Like playing searching. Given by ChatGPT, given by GPT. Okay, so when we save now, okay, then we start here pushing. He push this one, so there is push here. Okay, so they are almost the same, right? And try to combine it and you will learn a lot. Okay, so I'm here not to teach you all, because I'm also learning. Okay, so now what you are going to do is you need, once we copy this, you are going to run our manual encoding process. So but let's run the long file, because like what we did last time, like what we did here, we type this one, right? So we are going to name this as chat. We are going to name this one as ChatGPT, because so we can run this one by one, but let's continue here if he created an object, but later on, because now there is an error. Okay, let's try to, I will show you one by one what happened. Then I try this one, ChatGPT awesome, and set directory given by ChatGPT. Okay, so we are wrong. So this one we have to type given by ChatGPT, enter. As you can see, said assembling GPT, fatal error, cannot open the file given. What happened? Given by. What we're going to do is to ML G, right? Enter. Given by ChatGPT. Okay, so there is no awesome. We save that file without awesome. So are you going to resave it again? No. rename it. Ren slash question mark, then read. Please read my syntax lesson, please. Ren first part to the second part. Thank you. Okay, so now you understand. That's how you can improve yourself. Now there, please read my view first my syntax lesson. Okay. That's very important. Then after that, directory. Directory. So we are going to do rename. Sorry, we're going to rename that. Rename this the name given by ChatGPT to this is the original name. The file number 2 is the new name. So we're going to baptize this one to another new name. You are now given a new name given by the ISM. Okay, so after that, enter, and that's it. And then we can run now our command, and let's see what will happen. So okay, fatal error, cannot open window include. Correct. And you are going to visit your code. So what happened here, he said there is no window ink. Okay. So meaning the include file that the code that he gave is there is an error. Okay, because this is not the location of the include file. It should be MASM32 /include /Windows, and this one is slash MASM32 /lib/kernel 32. So MASM include and MASM32 lib. Oh, where is the location of that one? Okay, so window E or Explorer, and see here below is the location of that file. Here E. We are in F, right? Sorry, we are in F. Our MASM32 include. So here. So as you can see, there is a Windows INC here. Incomplete. Okay. They may so W, go down STUBW. You can press the keyboard, type W, you go to W, type A, you go to letter A. I forgot. So type W, no need to scroll. You can type WI, and automatic go to Windows INC. Include. So this is the file need to include, and the other one is MASM32 lib here, living no, library. This one is library. So what's that? Curry. You type KE in your keyboard and you will go to kernel 32. Okay, so we are expecting that he can help us now, because we type already the kernel and Windows location. Let's try to cover. What? Save already this one. Cannot see MASM32 include Windows. Yeah, true. You see? Sorry, again to my mistake. There's no point awesome here, meaning we are in the wrong file already. So before I quit, I have to copy this because I do not want to retype again. Copy in your clipboard. And keyboard, temporary storage area of our memory of our computer, and we're going to open our GPT.asm here, and correct. So this one we're going to override and paste, enter. Okay, so after that, what I did is do like this, given GPT all right reserve, and it says here undefined symbol exit process, undefined get handle, undefined write files. So, okay. So what I did, I go to ChatGPT and I paste that one. So as you can see, our communication. So he explained to me. It says undefined exit process, and he told me that you need to include this one. I included already. Okay, so there is a warning here. GPT can make mistakes. Okay, so after that, verify the linker setting. He said like that. Program kernel. So what I did, I'll try this one. I know, because we are still here. So what I did, he told me to use the extern exit process pro. I want to explain to you this extern meaning external. Okay, so it will grab the external, but it's not in your code. Okay, it's like the library is connected and automatically jump to external. Okay, but it should be here also, but external means I want to use that exit process on kernel DLL. So that's the use of extern. Declare external symbol explicitly. Okay, explicit meaning you are the one doing it. Implicitly, no need. That's the default. No need for you to let the machine do it. That's the difference between explicit and implicit. Implicit let the machine do it. That is his default setup. Okay, that's why there's no extern, the program can run. Okay, so explicitly, so we have to call the exit process, and that is the procedure. That's what he is telling me. Okay, so after that, he gave me an example, but I didn't run it. Then, so I'll try to use extern. I use this extern. I copy it. Then it comes to my mind. I have three symbol here. So if the extern is correct, why not I have to use extern here also and the right file? See? Because they have the same arrow. So it comes to my mind. I edit. I edit because he told me to do the extern. Okay, so I edit the given by the ChatGPT here, and I put extern exit process, and I need to copy this one 3 times a day. 3 times, because I have to put here this one, the get standard handle. If you do not want to type, you can highlight this, drag right, hold your mouse with your right hand and left click, hold the left click and right click, and it was copied, and you are going to paste it here. If you do not want to type, let's say it is a very long while. Okay, it's been a very long text. Okay, so that's what you are going to do, and to make it short, let's try this also in right. Let's do the right file. Okay, so let's try this. Okay, then we're going to try now. Let's do the COFF given by our friend at GPT, and it was build. build. Then you click pa rin. Now, so meaning it create a object already. So we are happy. He given me an object. So meaning you are successful in doing that. Now what you are going to do is to link that object. So what you are going to do is to type link slash question mark again. Please, my class, listen. See, leave path directory. That's how they do it. Have system console. Please review my syntax lesson. You will just become a plain user in the world of computer in your entire life. But if you follow my syntax, many are called but few are chosen. Don't be stubborn. Watch that one first before you visit my site. In programming, watch my syntax lesson. The syntax error there. Okay, so now what we're going to do is to link slash subsystem. We're going to use the subsystem. We cannot use this subsystem native window console 1 and POSIX because there is a rule here of split vertical bar, meaning you choose one. That's the one I discussed in my syntax. Okay, you want me to be angry with you? Don't be stubborn. Review my syntax. Okay, so link subsystem console, and we are now in our console, and GPT given by GPT, and we are going to make it enter. Hope it will become an exe file. So once when we are trying to link all this, what happened, class? The kernel 32 cannot link to this exit process and the handle inside. Cannot hook. Okay? So this kernel 32 is hooking you. If you hook, I'm your father. Then you will become human. If I hook, you hook to me. Something like that. So we cannot hook. So what I'm trying to do, I have to ask ChatGPT on all this error. Okay, let's go back to our communication symbol. So what I put here, extend. Okay, extend. Where to put that extend code? Okay, so he told me you put that one under declare external symbol. Okay, so after that, he give me a exit proc like this. Then try this one. Okay. So if we try this, copy. It told us to copy and try it. So that's the beauty, is there already an explanation in every life. That's how you can improve yourself. And as you can see here, later on I will teach you the what are the things, introduction to assembly. I will teach you that one. The XBXC, XDL, LBLC, LDL, BPSPB, BPSPDI, SI. Okay, those are the register. Base pointer, instruction pointer, code segment. There is also CS, SP, BP, base pointer, stack pointer, code segment, data segment, blah blah blah. There's a lot. Okay, so that's why it is easy for me to understand all this, because I have a little background already on assembly. And I hope you can follow. You're still young, but I'm old. I hope to our generation. So it works. Which one it works? So I told him this is the one, not this one. This is our code. No, that's not our code. I told him the one you gave me, the code that I copy. here he changed extern into, actually that is the same. Okay, but no worry, I want to show you how to be patient. Let's follow his code, just checking final message. Okay, let's follow the suggestion of the robot, because nowadays you have to use the robot help. Okay, now uh, remember this class, in IT you need patience. If you want to learn, you need patience. Okay, so after that, so I copy the code because I do not want to write again the top one, and Control V as in victory to paste his code with the robot code suggestion. And as you can see here, he give you again an error, and you are going to delete this because you are going to use this. Then save it, and let's try now his code. I'm excited if he can solve the issue. Okay, so enter. Now unresolved external symbol. How about the ML? In ML it is working. Oh, see, there is an error. So again, what I did, I have to go back to my original working data. So undo it, and the one which is the original he gave it to us going to run. Okay, so when I test that ML, so there's no error. So stick on that. So I have to stick on that without the error. So now, what you're going to do as read undefined exit process. Okay, undefined exit process, push 0. Solution test with the minimal program model plot, include window kernel. So you can practice on this. You can practice, but I didn't practice. I know what this one is doing. It push the 0 and call the exit. So meaning your program will just exit. So okay, so after that, how to unlink file in kernel library. So I want to unlink. I'm thinking, how can I unlink others? So I didn't continue on that. So now, I said later, okay, where to put in this code? So it told me like that. So after that, teach yourself our lesson. Okay, so you have to teach yourself. So this is the error, unresolved symbol. Then he give me a lot of things, link GPT to kernel 32. Okay, so we can try that. Just type the link in the library. Okay. So we type here link, but we know there should be a subsystem console, because it should be shown in our console. So what we're going to do here is to link. Let's edit this link, and that's why if you do not know your subsystem, you will be wrong. But we know we need this because we are going in a console. ChatGPT.pt.obj. We're going to link the objects. So because we created the object already. So and type kernel 32.pl. Enter. So as you can see, cannot open input file kernel 32. So that's the thing you have to that's why I'm thinking how I asked him, how can I put all that on path? So I type in my linker if there is a path also, and I found out when he suggests path, there is a path here. So meaning you have to type the path of the library. Okay, so after that, link path ABCDFG PAT sorry, include path, there is copy. There's the path. This one, the leaf path. Okay. Okay, so what we're going to do is to include the leaf path library. Then reset, run all this, run proc. By the way, this one, he said this, I asked what's the use of at. So meaning he said 4 parameter or argument and 20 parameter. Okay, so now you understand. Then after that, see, there is a C path here, but there is no leaf path. Okay, so encounter error. So it should be like this: leaf path fails kernel library. Okay, C path to leave. So after he said C path to leave, you can put or set the variable in your window. You set the library. You set the library C path in your window environment. So that's the thing. What you're going to do is you go to CDM again, .cpl, and you have to go here, advanced, and click this environment variable, and this is the one, the top one. Okay, it should be here on the top one, not here on the bottom. If you're adding variables here, click new. Okay, it should be like that. The variable name followed by the value. So here, if you edit this, if you edit the path, this is what happened last time, and the one you set will go here. Did I follow the instruction with the leaf path? So no. Okay. So what I did, there's no leaf here. Click now new. Then you are going to follow the instruction. That's why if you want a simple follow, you cannot instruction. How can you graduation? Okay. So don't follow my English. That's just a joke. Simple instruction you cannot follow. How can you graduate in your school? Okay, so what you are going to do is to copy this, because I do not want to type, but that is wrong. You have to analyze that. Okay, so what I mean here, set the lead. Set, correct, because there is a set command /? In Windows. And as you can see here, please read how many times. Later on, I will not tell you to view my syntax lesson. Set variable and the string. Variable specify the environment variable. This variable will become global in the entire window, and the specific series of character string. And type set without parameter to display the current environment. Okay. Okay. And to continue. Now you understand. I will teach you later on this regex. These are the regular expression in grouping, and you type regex, you search regex, and you in Windows, regex is a popular term on that, the regex. Okay, there's using PHP and all the programming language, they use that one. That one is used in validation. I want only typing telephone number 3333, start with the 333. I do not want with the 63. That's the use of that. They use pragmat in PHP. Okay, so in binding text, in validation, etc. That's the ruling. Okay, so now what we're going to do, if you type according to the set, you type set and you can see the set. So meaning these are in the username, the user profile, go to user. Windir is the C Windows. So if you type CD, I don't know. Let's try this. If it can work. CD Windir and parenthesis enter. No, it's not working. But if you type echo Windir, and it will go to Windows. Okay. So I just try maybe. Let's try to put here backslash. It's work. See, it's working. That's why it's up to you to learn. Think of all the possibility in the one you learn in the future. Keep to be keen. What I mean, resourceful, and pray that God gave you wisdom. Okay, so now what we are going to do is to create our own library. Okay, you set, so meaning I want the variable lib can live living without you. That's the one. This one is the library. Okay, so C. So this one should be not C because we are in app. Okay. The location of our MASM32 lib, not libs. Then okay, that's how you follow instruction. Okay, then click OK and OK and try to run a new. If you do not want to destroy this because we have a history of our command, so you right click this window here and reload another command prompt, a newly created new new window command prompt, and type U in my VATS file, and I'm now in my MASM32. That's the shortcut. Okay, then CD. Did I type Q here? No. If I type again, I put also CD. CD tutorial there. I will type Q here again. Or go. G for go. So, that's okay. We'll do it manually just for you. Tutorial. Why tutorial? Because that is directory. Directory tut. You can see there is a symbol. Sorry, example first. So directory example, because we are in example. There is a symbol like this, directory. Read my XC combat. Okay, read my XC combat, please. Read my XC combat from beginner to advanced user. Okay. So now let's see that example. Don't type the whole thing. Once you type X or the EX already, when you type E, press tab to complete the typing. Tab. Press the tab in your keyboard. TAB. It is on the top of the caps lock. TAB. Okay? But I cannot find any key here. Okay, so it's up to you to find any key. Okay, so now see the examples. Enter. Let's try this. We are only in one. We are only in tutorial. CD directory tut. There's no tutorial. MASM32 examples. Console. No, sorry. There's a lot of example already. CD directory tut first, because you're looking for a tutorial. Okay? This is it. Then CD tut. If you type T, just press tab. Automatic. Cannot, meaning there's same file. So TU. Okay, you found it. Because you cannot type T, because why? And press tab. Why it's not go to testing? Meaning there's a lot of T there. Then this E is first than U of TE, TU. Okay, so you have to. Want to see? Test in. Oh, you type here directory. Test in asterisk. Meaning there's a file test in. Oh, this is also directory. That's what happened. If you press tab, why like that? Stop. Okay. Now cd tutorial, enter, because that's the location. CD example, CD tutorial, CD console, CD demo. Okay, so what we're going to do is to run again the code that he gave. Link to subsystem, link to subsystem. Okay, I have the path now. Just type now link corrected object. Okay, so link, so press here link. That's not the one, the other one. Okay, you can copy the suggestion here, link, copy, and put it here. Let's say right click the mouse. Okay, in pasting here, you right click the mouse. In copying, right click also. Highlight, right click, copy. It was copy in your clipboard. Once you paste it, right click of your mouse also. Hold your mouse with your right hand and right click your mouse with your middle finger. If you do not have middle finger, it was cut because of accident. So it's up to you. So now link corrected object to kernel 32 object, but our program is given by ChatGPT. Link again. You need to right click this and make sure you memorize that one. Okay, given ChatGPT object because you set up the library. GPT. Okay. Cannot open. So we have to memorize given by. There should be given by. Okay. Okay. So we forgot the by. We forgot to buy something, you know. Then click OK. So subsystem cannot infer and it must be defined. Okay, so there is an error. So don't quit. Strive hard. Okay, so what he said, I'm using MASM32. Do not give me Linux. I told him because he gave me a bus here. Remember, there is a bus here. Then that is for Linux. Okay. So I told him, don't give me that on Linux bus. I want in Windows. Okay, so he gave us this one, path lib, then double already. Should be so it's wrong already. So after that, include kernel 32 lib. Okay, libc MASM32 lib. We done already that one. Then there's a lot of error. Then I told him I'll resolve external exit process. Then he gave an example. I didn't run it. And this is the same. When you run the same, then all are the same. Then I gave this one, and this I told him this one is working. Then he said it look like. I told him the code is working. I told already what he said. It looks like you're still facing unresolved issue. So I keep on doing suggesting, link pattern error. Okay, so still, I said this is the issue, still the same. Cannot link unresolved. Okay, all is unresolved. Then make sure explicitly. Okay, let's try to copy this, the one he gave to us. Okay, you remember our code already. So let's try to copy this, and let's go to process here. Our disassemble awesome. Is this the one? No. Where's that? Here. the one suggested by ChatGPT. Let's try this. Control V to overwrite and save. And let's start again. In the beginning, very sheet. You review the very sheet in a Hebrew. Okay, so this is it. Click here and go here, and this is the one. Okay, no, I think that's not the old one. Here, the old one. Okay, we have a lot of command here. Okay, so let's try this long method already. So we can type again and again. Lipat this one 32 lips as system console. Okay. This if this one successful, it will run the second one, the link. This is an end operator in programming. I know that. The end. I use that in PHP, C, and Java, Kotlin. All the programmer, that is the symbol of end. The OR is the, this one is OR. Okay? And OR. The NOT is like this. NOT. Later done, that's the operators. Later on, I can teach you on that. So let's try this to run here. And we're going to change that into a given by ChatGPT. Given. So you see, it's boring, right, in IT, but that's IT. It's not boring. It is how you teach yourself. You should be patient because you want to learn. Okay? Learning, you need a lot of patience, sacrifice your time. And what happened now? Change this into wide screen. And you change this to the same name given by ChatGPT. Given by GPT. And there. You can see it's run successfully. But in the linker, still unresolved. Okay, so I want to quit and I want to be angry. No, not easy to be angry. So what I'm going to do is to control yourself, get some hammer, and smile. Okay, so this is the second one. I want to copy this next time. Copy. Left click the mouse. Hold the mouse with your right hand. Left click and hold the left click and drag. And right click. That is the copying on the clipboard in Windows, and paste it here, and this is the one. Okay? So that's how you copy the one. Okay, so we copy that code already, so we can run that on another CMD here also. Okay, and right click it and press enter, and the same thing will happen to us. So what I did is I told him sometimes he called me brother because I told him, you call me brother. So in ChatGPT, you're creating your own robot maybe. Okay, so after that, same error, it's still the same error. I told him, and ML minus C, and there's a lot. Okay, then there's a lot of things. He told me I did already that one. So he said, can I make a command ML with the link? I asked him just one command. Give me this one. Okay. So and then he explained that ML is the corrected. You assemble the ASM, bind the object, correct? This attach ensure that the link is executed only if ML is successful. So I asked him, what is NN? That is the end. Okay? I'm using Windows, not Linux. Okay, so make the story short. At the end of our conversation, I quitted already. He quitted. He cannot give me any more suggestion. He said 40-20 is like that. That is the parameter, external command. And he gave us this a lot of system control, system console, then repeat again, then repeated, then I said it was solved when I add all this. So I'm the one who find the solution, you see, because here I told him, as you can see, so bro, what do you think? How to resolve our issue? So he cannot find any solution. Then what I am thinking, what I did is, it was resolved, I told him, when I add all this. What I did, I copy all this. Where did I get this? So in our original hello. So let's copy that here, and I'm glad to hear that the issue is here. So I'm the one also solve myself issue. Not him. Then he replied, you need to include 32 kernel Windows Inc. Is it only kernel 32? No, there's a MASM32. So the robot can learn to us also. Then he smiled at me. Anything else? That's funny. Okay, so what we are going to do is to copy those library in our previous here, and remove this extern. Okay, and remove that extern prop that is useless already. Control B. Okay, this is it, and let's see if we are successful in creating our program. Okay, so we will try now. Enter, and there's no error. We type now by given by ChatGPT, enter, and it works. Yeah! Palakpan! Clap your hands, clap your hands. So that's the end of the ChatGPT. I'm teaching you how to teach yourself, how to be keen, how to be wise, how to think of something, what's going on, then debug it, see the opcode, see a lot of things. Later on, I will continue the part 3 of exploring this. I will continue the exploration in this MASM32, exploring MASM32 part 2, and I will teach you on the next video. You try. I give you already the menu, right? So I will teach you how to dance. So no, I'm not good in dancing. Okay, so this is the one I will teach you later. Okay, later on in our next video, I will teach you what are these, and this and that and that. Okay, so see you again in my next video. Okay. Okay, so I hope it's take too long already, so it's up to you. You can rest and say goodbye. Okay, so that's wait for my part 3. I hope you enjoy our coding in Teach Yourself. This is Arman reporting in the World Wide Web, live at DCRA. That is our radio station. I'm not fan of. I did not sponsor. Okay, thank you so much for watching, listening carefully. You just pause my video and try to enjoy coding. Goodbye.